I haven't yet gotten around to congratulating the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISSA, for their recent rule change relating to foreign students now having to sit out a year when transferring to an ISSA school, with of course the sixth form and some other exceptions. This should effectively right the wrong that existed, where Jamaican student athletes had to sit out a year while a runner could come off the streets of Ethiopia or Kenya, or a baller from St. Kitts or St. Lucia could march straight off a plane and into ISSA competition. This change is basically leveling that particular part of the playing field. And as usual with any change, people will push back. We're hearing that this change is targeting certain schools and ISSA should just remove the rule altogether and blah, blah, blah. What was wrong with this rule was its inconsistency. That has now been addressed. And guess what? It's better late than never.